Today we will learn about the first type of NoSQL database, how we can store anytime local phone storage within Hive and Flutter. So first of all, we create our project. This is a Flutter basic code. In the last video, we learned about the Go routing, how we pass data between two screens using Go router. First of all, we search the Hive Flutter package and add Flutter dependency in Flutter.py. Simply we show how we add a Flutter Hive. Install a Flutter Hive extension. Using the terminal, we simply Flutter add Hive. We open a terminal and write a command Flutter provide Hive. Perfect. And another one is when we create a Hive database, we store we write a permission of the read and write external storage. Here we can see our dependency is added. Here we can write a Flutter widget bind for the initialization of the application. We simply create a file path and get a application storage directory. Get application storage directory, we add a file path provider. So we simply open a terminal and write add a path provider. So get application path, application directory path. We can write the get application document directory and we initialize the database Hive.init and path of application document directory. We simply write in Android folder manifest file, read and write external storage permission. If you have no idea about it, I can add a comment and pin them. Write external storage and another permission is read external storage. Using that external storage, we can store the data, and using the read external storage, we get the data to the mobile storage. Yeah, perfect. In this tutorial, we learn about what is the box in Hive, how we use the box. Basically, Hive database is a similar work to the set preference, using the put the value and get the value. Yeah, perfect. We simply create a floating action button in our home screen. Simply add icon, and here we can write a add button click. create a variable box and create a database name hive.openbox. So this openbox function is a work as if database will give openbox function name is the argument in openbox function. Openbox is a work is when we use the openbox, it can create a database if it is not available, otherwise get data from the specific database name. Hive.openbox. Here we can give a database name. Simple channel name NTech. Box put. Using put method, we can give a key and value, and when we get the data, using the when we store data using the key. So we simply store my name is Aksar, and after that when we click that is store, and after that I get using NTech key what will store in the NTech key. It's basically similar to the memory allocation, how many memory allocate and how many bytes storage. Application is installed. A file is given. Here I can store the home screen. When I click on home screen floating button, simply can take it store my name is Akshay value and return I can print that value using NTech key. So that is basic video of the how we can store a data using Hive. In the next tutorial, we learn about how we store JSON data and how we print that data using feature builder and other methods. So keep supporting, keep learning. Thank you.